Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. Today I'm gonna show you how to properly start the Storm 110cc pit bike from Nitro Motors. This is a semi-automatic model. It has gears but has no clutch. So first you need to make sure that the pit bike is properly assembled. You can check our video where we have assembled the bike step by step. So once the bike is properly assembled, you have replaced oil in the engine, you can now start the bike, and I show you now how to do it properly. So first add the fuel into the tank. You have to use normal unleaded 95. You don't mix with oil, this is a 4-stroke. For first start, put approx 1 liter of fuel into the tank. Next, turn the on switch to on position, down position. Turn the petrol tap to on position, like this. You will see the fuel is coming here in the fuel filter. Here is the choke. You have to pull the choke all the way up, like this. Next, check the gear, make sure the bike is on neutral gear. So push the bike forward and back and see if it's on the neutral gear. If not, you need to change the gear to the neutral. So we have added the fuel, we have the switch into on position, we have the petrol tap open and the choke in the up position, and now we can start the bike. Start the bike. First you need to press and hold the front brake like this. Open the kickstart, put your feet on the kickstart and kick till the bike starts. While kicking, you may need to twist throttle a little bit. So let's try it now. So the bike now is running on the choke on. So slowly we have to bring the choke down. So put the choke back down position. Now the choke is in the down position and you have to leave the bike running for a few minutes. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. I hope it will help you to start your brand new pit bike. If you like the bike, you can purchase the bike from our website. The link to our shop is in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in the next video.